There is no way you're living in diaspora without you craving for pepper soup in this cold weather. Stick around with me. I will show you how to make one very fast. It is very medicinal. Today recipe it's assorted meat pepper soup. So I have here combination of beef and goat meat intestines. One thing I don't have here is liver. That's because I prefer not to add one because of the end result. It's never what I want to have. But if you want to include liver to your assorted meat, please go ahead and do that. But I tell you, you should add your liver almost at the end of your cooking process. Okay, so to the intestines, sorry, not my intestines, to the intestines, I'll go ahead and generously clean. This is where the most work lies. Okay, take your time to clean the intestines. Now I will season with some vegetable powder or bouillon powder. I went in with some blended onion, with some blended Scotch bonnet pepper. I added ginger, to some blended ginger. You can also add garlic. I don't like to add garlic, but you can add one. Like I said, this is a medicinal soup, and guys, we all need it in this cold weather. So I also added small amount of salt. You want to generously incorporate that, cover it up, and let it simmer for at least 5 minutes. Let me say a big thank you to my returning subscribers for always tuning in. You guys are the best. Thank you so much for still watching. And if this is your first time on my channel, my name is Annie Krieger. The Krieger, it's a little bit difficult to say, but don't worry, you will get used to it if you stick around this channel. Okay, thank you so much for doing so. Now, after about 10 minutes, pepper soup is looking very good. Now we seasoned earlier. Again, we want to go in with those real pepper soup spices. You know what I mean by pepper soup spices, okay? Now add in some if you have blended one already. You can add in as much as you can take, or you want to grind yours. You have the seed, all the seed. Go ahead and grind everything together and introduce. I added my crayfish. I don't have limit to crayfish when it comes to pepper soup like this. Now incorporate everything together. Like guys, sometimes you feel like you want to have your quiet time in the kitchen, and at that same time, your the family, your daughter, your husband, they will remember they want to have some water. They want to check in the other pot. What is happening? Okay, it is so. If I have my way to send them out of this kitchen, I will, but I can't. Now, after adding those spices, I went ahead to adjust to my taste. One thing I forgot was the udar, guys. I always want to include more udar. So I added udar. It's still not too late. And then cover up again. Don't mind the time of those video, okay? Making assorted meat pepper soup takes a little bit of time because it's hard, so it takes time to cook. Now I added my scent leaf. This is not scent leaf. If you live in diaspora, you know how difficult it is to get fresh scent leaf. So I added parsley. I have frozen scent leaf at home, but because of the sake of those video, I didn't want to have that frozen one because you know that look and all that. So I needed this vibrant look. So I added parsley. If you have frozen one, you can add one too. And that's all, guys. It's not difficult to make, and guys, it will make you feel at home. It will make you revive all the stress, and very it will clean your system and everything. Thank you so much for still watching. I appreciate you. Please don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. You can pair this with some wet yam, with some white rice, some agidi, or even plantain. I appreciate you all once again. See you all in my next one. Bye for now.